As one peruses the latest developments in the realm of high-performance vehicles, it is difficult not to be taken aback by the fascinating nuances that separate the classic from the modern. A case in point is the divergent approach taken by Porsche's 911 Sport Classic and its contemporary counterpart, the turbo-grade Porsche 911. While the turbo model boasts an impressive combination of all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Sport Classic opts for a more traditional rear-wheel drive and manual transmission setup. Such an approach represents a true nod to the storied history of sports cars, harkening back to a time when driving was more about the connection between man and machine. However, this unique setup does require some tinkering under the hood. Specifically, Porsche has had to reduce the power output of the twin-turbocharged 3.7-liter flat-six engine to ensure that it plays nice with the 7-speed gearbox. In comparison to the turbo, the 911 Sport Classic sees a decrease of 29 horsepower and 111 pound-feet of torque, with its power strictly channeled to the rear wheels. This does result in a trade-off, as the self-shifting all-wheel drive 911 Turbo is better suited for those who prioritize peak performance and straight-line acceleration. Nevertheless, the 911 Sport Classic makes up for this with a more engaging and dynamic driving experience that speaks to the heart of what makes sports cars so beloved. In essence, the development of these two Porsche models highlights the importance of balancing innovation with tradition in the ever-evolving world of high-performance vehicles. While modern technology has undoubtedly propelled the automotive industry to new heights, there is still something to be said for the timeless appeal of a classic sports car. The 911 Sport Classic represents a bold testament to this sentiment and is sure to delight enthusiasts who value a more visceral and authentic driving experience.